Alright, what is going on, guys? Thank you for coming to the video. Today we are going to go over exactly why you need confidence and how to have confidence when you're trading stocks, and how to make money when doing it, and how confidence plays into all that. With that being said, keep this short. Let's get on over to the video and let's get started.
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort, stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds, sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third.
Okay guys, what is up? Before we even get started in here, because I know somebody's going to point it out just like every video, let's go on up here. I am on real-time data. Let's just clear that up real fast. I'm just getting in the habit, you guys. So, I'm going to show you guys, here are the alerts from today. I'm just going to drag this over. Nope. Okay, anyways. So, I'm in a couple different channels here. This is the options one. We'll just go just like this. So you guys can see I had Roku's. Guys, I had more plays today than I normally do. You guys can go through if you guys want to get my option or get my alerts and things like that. You're more than welcome to. I just want to kind of show you what we were doing in there this morning. We did pretty well. Today was not my best day whatsoever, guys. I'm never gonna act like it was. So that's why I really want to make the video on confidence. Actually, I wasn't super confident in any of my first 3 trades. I mean, it's just how it was. So I actually alerted this one, and I can actually pull it up here for you. SPY calls. Yeah. So right here, SPY calls if over 299, and I added everyone. If you're in my options alert part, if you're my student, you get this. So you guys knew exactly what was going on, exactly what I was thinking here. And I say that because if you look at the chart, we're gonna back out a little bit here. And trading with confidence, guys, you got to have confidence. If you're not confident in your play, then with little itty bitty speed bumps coming, you're going to lose money. And with this one being said, this one fell down pretty hard last night. SPY did at the end of the day. You can see it kind of starts forming like a little cup here, like a little U cup. And I'm not playing a cup and handle or anything like that. Technically, I guess you could call this one. I think if you want to use this as a cup and a little handle, and then it went up, I guess that is technically the pattern. So with that being said, though, I was looking at it more as a breakout buy here. You can see I have a resistance line here. The resistance is actually really right here mainly. As you can see, it really had a lot of trouble right in here the first time. It fell back down, bounced right off of this support here, and then took off again and went through it. And you could have made money through here. Ran all the way up to 299, 75, I think, technically, but I mean, these are wicks. I wouldn't be. You could have probably sold in here 265, 260 pretty easily. I mean, that's 30 cents a share right there. Now, I'm not saying that. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to interrupt the video real fast. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let's get back to the video. This is any major gain. I'm just saying the patterns work and having confidence in them and knowing what you're doing, guys. That is the biggest part about trading. Now, the other one I've been playing recently here more is Roku. And you can see that I have a line here. And there's a reason why I have a line here, guys. So, with that being said, Roku has, earnings call next Wednesday, I think it is. But this was, I see a lot of resistance here from yesterday. It took off and it fell back through it, as you can see once. And then when it broke through it, it went a little bit easier. It tried to get back up into this area. It couldn't yesterday. And then so we sold off. And then this morning we popped back up here pre-market. Fell back down to some support again. As you can see, there's some support in here, 1, 2, and 3. And then we pushed all the way back through. Now, I was looking for, I went a little bit too close. So I was looking for it to come back honestly up and hit in here. Now I understand why it didn't. I just figured it would push through just a little bit over this. So I was looking at the 132.50 range. 132.55 is where that's at. It's within 5 cents of it. So that was really where I was looking for it to go up to, and then probably pop back down and short it, or buy a put on it, for instance. Again, this all has to do with confidence, guys. You have to be able to anticipate things. Got to be able to know what's going on. So what ended up happening is I cut positions here. I believe I took some profit, and then I ended up cutting up the rest of them down in here. I know I was red on a position in here as well. Guys, I've taken multiple trades today. Today was not my most simple trading day where I take 2 or 3 trades and I'm completely done. I screwed that up at the very, very beginning, and I knew I did. With that being said, though, this was an easy short, and I actually called this in here. Let me pull this back over here. Roku breaks 129 cleanly. And again, I have this all right here. Time stamped and everything, guys. I'm not making this stuff up. So again, we're going to go down to 129, and I see it because this is really what we're looking at here. So again, it failed to go up through that, failed in here. Now again, was this a much bigger play to get short up in here and play this or buy puts up in here? Yes, and trust me, I did do that. I did not alert this because that's a little bit more of a risky play. I wanted it to break 129 and continue downtrending. Now, of course, if you go out the rest of the day, it was a good idea to take profits when we did because, you know, it hasn't gotten any lower here. I mean, it got down to 128, right below 128, and I was hoping everybody was taking profits in here. I didn't alert to take profits, guys. You guys have to know when to take profits, what you're comfortable with, what your risk is. At this point, when you get in on 129, you know, and it's all the way down in here, yeah, you can still sit here and hold it, but I mean, I usually take some profits, especially when you see it start to climb back up. Maybe I would have been taking profits 128.50. Now, I know that's only 50 cents a share. We trade options is what we're trading options. We're trading puts on this. So you're actually making more than what you would be trading as if you were just trading stocks. This being said, it does pop back through. That's a little bit of a rough thing for me for it to pop back through. I would like for it to just kind of struggle here and then pop back down, but it didn't. It stayed strong. It never made a lower low. It actually made a higher low. So it curled back up and went again, and now we've been stuck in this range here, and you can see it's trading under $129.06. So with that being said, the confidence level, my confidence wasn't super high this morning. I'm aware of that. I've told multiple students that my confidence wasn't here today. I mean, my first trade was like negative $50 on Roku, and then I went back in, made my money back, and I was basically done for a little while until the opportunity presented itself. Now, I know not all of you guys have the money or the trades to be able to do multiple trades, and I get that. I understand that 100%. Now, that's, again, why I don't alert every single trade that I'm taking, because I'm taking more trades anticipating things, allowing those winners to run, and making sure I secure profits still. Now, at the same time, I don't want to alert you guys if I'm up here, and because this could have easily went down here and then just took off back up. This could have stair-stepped because you got one high, it went higher again, and then, but when it made this right here, again, that's not 100% confirmation, but I did see it as, hey, we're getting in. So I was getting in as close to 131 as I could, and that's where I did enter. And then we basically played this. And Cody was live with me on Discord, guys. We do go live on Discord sometimes, and they're talking to each other. And he was in there while I made some boneheaded mistakes, and I said it on there. Like, I'm not having a very good day. I was happy to make just over $500 and something. I did end up trading this SPY call here, if it'll load real fast. So I did end up taking this trade, though, and I made a little bit more, and I finally took profits on it. But you guys got to realize it literally had to go break through this again. So I bought it once and took a loss on it, guys. That's where another trade came from, and then I let it go back down. I bought puts on it, scalped this trade basically, because I saw that we weren't really breaking through this, and scalped this trade and then allowed it to push back through. Once it pushed back through this, I re-entered and then made this little chunk of change in here. Again, no big runners today. Just simple base hits, taking profit when we got it, and playing very, very simple, guys. That is how you get your confidence back, especially if you make a big loss. Definitely make a couple small trades, get back to it. Yeah. I'm looking at houses everywhere, guys. Realtor. But again, getting back into the getting back into the pace of things when you make a really bad trade, and you didn't cut your loss, I definitely recommend go back to paper trading if you need to. That'll definitely get your confidence back, I feel like. Planning out your trades and then taking singles. And I mean, I don't care if it is a bunt and you make 1% or a 0.5% or anything along those lines, guys. That is how you get your confidence back. Confidence is a huge thing when trading, and you just got to be able to bounce back. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I want to keep it super short. Please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. If you guys have any ideas for videos that you want me to make and be 100% honest with you like I am in all these videos, go on ahead, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to make that video. Thank you guys for all watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.